Well, hello there from a cloudy, drizzly, windy day. Just to show you the damage again. As you probably see my previous video that I had done in December time, showing you the damage, i.e. this, which is even worse. It's just, you know, I should have it repaired by now, but work gets in the way. It ain't gonna go anywhere, it ain't gonna cause any problems, you know. Really, I have got the problem of this got put up when the post got put in by the committee. So, you know, I could cut it off and try again, but mainly I'm just gonna put the post up there. But anyway, apart from that, like I says, that's worse. But, you know, I've come to find my gate is completely ripped off. So the wind was coming obviously north this way in December. It must have been coming from the west this time. So, you know, it was the thing is, it was bolted, had a padlock on, bolted, as you can see, absolutely destroyed, unreal. So I'm gonna have to repair that. It's one of them things, isn't it? Me lovely greenhouse, stroke hothouse, whatever you want to call it, that I was building, that has just been destroyed. It's my own fault. You know, you look at this side, I'll put the cladding on, fantastic. Okay, still the plaster's going in and out, bit windy. Same there, lovely. Even though that's come out a bit, but I'll sort that out. If only I'd finished it off. As it says, work gets in the way, didn't, and it's like that. I'll have to buy some plastic and repair it. Yeah. And obviously I've still got the gap up the top there. Hey God. As I said in one of my videos about the greenhouse, come down and see the glasses. That's been repaired now. It's a mess. Should have a fire by now, got rid of all this rubbish, but I haven't. Gap right there. The sort of like covering that I had on there's come off, so I'll have to do that, try and repair that. That was sort of like damaged anyway, and that's come out, so I'll just put it back on again and put a bit of tape on. So I like to do, just tape it. It's quickness. Everything's down to cost, isn't it? You know what I mean? I could buy new plastic sheeting to put new windows in here, but what's the point? It's a shed, isn't a house. But I'm gonna have to sort out this roof. You know, the story of this roof here like this, I did have it previously at my house in the side garden, and next door neighbour's guttering was obviously at the back of here, and when it used to rain, torrential rain, the guttering couldn't take it, so it used to just pour on top of me roof. And eventually this is what happened, and when I brought it here I should have repaired it straight away and put felt on, but I didn't. And like I said, that's nearly 6 years ago now, and I'm paying the price sort of. It was warped anyway, but yeah, I'll have to sort it this year. That's why I have done a video talking about not really growing many seeds this year, doing more repairs, because I definitely do. Because this is the consequence. If you don't keep up with the repairs, things get damaged, and then obviously you have the winds that you have, and then this is what happens. Obviously I didn't expect the post here to snap, but hey ho. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's bye from me. I'm in the shed. See you later.